Hi guys, Dave McMillan from Shaving Time. Haven't done a shaving video for quite a while, so let's get to it, shall we? Today, I'm going to be using the Shaving Shack Exotic Sandalwood Cream. It's marvellous stuff. It's made by Tobbs, Taylor of Old Bond Street, just in case anyone knows. Little Birdie told me that. It's not been confirmed, but I'm pretty certain it's true. Anyway, Exotic Sandalwood Cream by Shaving Shack. So what it looks like. Smells absolutely delightful. We're also going to use the Sovereign brush by, goodness me, I can't remember who it's by. Oh dear. It's on the website anyway. Sovereign. Good, I can't remember. It's terrible. Anyway, my apologies. There we go. Synthetic. And we're using one of my favourite razors, not available on the website, but available elsewhere. Tatara. I can't remember which one it is. Terrible, eh? But it's the mild one, but it's really, really good. Really good indeed. Right, so I do a slightly different process. I've been using that soap for 2 weeks, and I've been bowl lathering, face lathering, and the quickest way I find, and head and face, but I'm just doing my face just now, I did my head this morning, is to take that much cream, about an almond size, and just put it on my face, rub it in, like you're kind of doing a kind of a pre-shave process, really. You can rub that in and just, make sure all your bristles are covered. Obviously got some on your hand. Take a brush which has been soaked, not too long, so synthetic, doesn't really matter. Take the excess off your hands and just go straight for the face. That soap comes in, I can't remember, 200 mils. Gonna last you ages and ages. Added some water there to the brush. See lots of videos of guys getting lather, it looks like Father Christmas's beard. There was no requirement for that. Just work it in, soften the bristles, and go for the shave. I'm using a Shick blade here, been used once on my head this morning. This is the first pass with the grain. Excellent glide. Nice and smooth action. Okay, second pass, I'm just going to moisten my face. Brush has got plenty of soap on it, cream or whatever you want to call it. Plenty of cream on the brush, ready for the second pass. Second pass across the grain. You don't need that much to perform the required second pass. Because you're only taking half an hour to have a shave in the morning, it's of no use whatsoever to anyone. If you want to get out the door and get to work, you want to be speedier than that. Hope you can hear the feedback on this razor. And up on the neck. No, I just do a touch up on my chin. I don't do against the grain. Well, a little bit on my chin, just because that's the thickest part of my beard, really. I'm a typical Northern European kind of Viking type person, so it's not thick. You know, this was a 2-day growth I'd taken off, so you could see it wasn't that much. There you go, perfect, damn fine shave, workable shave. I'm just going to rinse in cold water, excuse me while I dip my head. Right, and there we have it, very quick shave with Shaving Shack's exotic sandalwood, made by Cobbs, Taylor of Old Bond Street. Absolutely cracking stuff, I've been using it for about 2 weeks, love it to bits. So easy, so easy. Brush, bowl, face, whatever. I'm going to finish off with a little bit Piacenza, sterling Piacenza. Get some of that in the face, just to seal everything. Oh, lovely. There we go. And as I said, that's the cream. That's the brush, still loaded sovereign. And there we have it. Quick shave, out the door, ready to go. Thanks for watching. Until the next time, I'm Dave McMillan. I own shavingtime.co.uk. Adios.